one. Yeah, nobody never single mother regret. So ever so long I basically last time job. I not have feeling the program enough. There was a time. So we take a time the man. Why many time? So when you go one time, one remember what exactly you remember one. The why do me to go? The why do me a thing? Hey, time me back in our time now, where my son. O ma me go ba no vi che me ya claim me ke me one day. Ora gbon wa ya no e ga tori. Ame mu mi lo po vi che me re one day. We o vi che me na ki gume collect me ke me. O me sunu te.
One listen no.
E mi no fear ni na ha le mi no gwa fi ogun me. E soro I do pay 120 euro ya mu ya mu se ba ya vie. E courier me. Because I am in like oh well like. While here I tell me kume utemi akmokume. Imagine not tell me akmokume say na rejected. While ya igige ikaviote without ige. O wa me na do hun sonpo. O wa me na do hin to speak. E room okpa we allow wa o ti kiende mi mama. Iwe ni kuwa no bubua. Benu mi me na iyo momo. Wa tagwe ti jore ruwa o we. Ọrụ ahụ wata we ijore na mi no na ke kokotu na ke me mani viola gagbera from me kwa ka e ma baba ya sun una eta we me ni jore get zuwa imana jes ko ni mami igwe ni e me nwa iye mi ni u ya pa why got tell me na uwa masa we je me ma collect me ke me one day a mi oni afawa abetu wa ya ri e ba ika son gugwa o e mo mi wota gugwa daga no bi je na tele la wo go ju na bi ni poti na akwa iya e meba e wa claim we meba ya ki umo no gwa bo gbe o no gwa ba fa iya e meba lu wa na me kele e ro kwa le chia awo wo bi je me na collect mi keme e ri o bi je me ki collect mi keme aso an ba fa o bi je me ma me no ri o point me prayer point me one day. Ya kwa give a testimony self in every time we teach you no every time where mommy Jordan meno or what give mommy Jordan talk this so I give a testimony of your phone. O me collect me come there. O ma no any and women no bobi jere na Latia dota. Latia no dota. So already na fi ogume because one obu wa le lo ma kia wa gwa le lo ma o wa le lo ma kia be no ge wa usa. Una lele me kare no we wa usawa misote. Uma ma lele me kia be no ga no le pa. Uki ai mi no sunu tame.
Yes, so my people, I greet you now better time. God bless all of you abundantly. And see this video where they play so. Me one watch this video small for now. When I invite those salt and water ministry come, may they sit down, may they come here. Understand? So what hold on, I never cop now. Now see what they talk. One lily here, why na one sa. So that water ministry members or what to why na one sa. Or what one. Mo in so to wow. I may not tie analyze no one. Or what to why na one sa or what one. Now why done here? There are many things we need to open an eye on here for this video. He said the members who they follow her, they be like answer goats. You understand? Hello? I agree to. Arrest speaker. We for no kenu we are the keruwe no we are this mamia dogman wa mamia wa mami yike no we are the keruwe we no we are this no the way calling we no we are the keruwe uruwe no we are this we ma de give ni yo video ni yo de uno de yo na ga uno yo no na ga uno respect no bia me ladi no they are advising am so we me zo we give ade bari ni doctor also we me zo we supposed to be the last person to call in on my platform yesterday but so we me zo we call in our opinion. Iyore was so proud to call in. Instead, she went to our platform and be talking. insulting our members. My brother, enough is enough. I don't side me never one I side backyard things in me. Yeah, I'll tell you it out that was straight direct. You understand? Oh, by more one again, you feel me so? Oh my way no magba wagima atam directly, boldly. Not I had to atim yeke, I do yeke. This kind of not the doing. Okay, sorry for that. Sorry for that. Now you be. We are made lie with maybe mu. You understand? Which kind of thing be that one? A video in me who know there. A video in me who know there. When man watch a video in me who know there, go and look at that video yesterday. Oh no, I came out to be fighting for her. She's pregnant. At condition this time, people are not supposed to be calling her that name. But look at the kind of attitude she's performing on social media, even with her pregnancy. Oze ni wo tedo ni tala wonu aye gbegwe ne oye wo nyanga nyanga wo gbe wo he. At the paro, not make me call paro for this woman this today. You go on, man. We don't face the village. We do nyanga. It's called Mayo. Am I Edward Egwag, but you make a noise in social media. No wala. No wala. No shaking, I don't hear you. We video call. I'm for a video cover. You talent. You accept you talent. I don't hear what you talk. No wala, no shaking. I agree with you. I do my drink. I want you. Wait a minute. I don't buy on the medical good more life now. You understand? I done negbi wagbona. Life na no na done negbi. You understand? Go back there. That do gaji. When you win when you want saka saka. Kono 1 million followers, 1 million subscribers. I don't care. You understand? All I care is that be honest to yourself and to the people around you. Be loyal. Be loyal. Loyalty matters a lot. Also, look what I be no matter where when you bring yourself so low, God will lift you up. God will lift you up. One last time. So any queen block you come off my platform and say just be. You understand? Let's play our video.
That was no more power. I'm waiting for me. We are getting our way. We all rejected.
Jesus.
Not never wasting go no ya mwe oga me mwe na ni me ya fear for committee chemini no ma na we o me lo gbenu na ameti be ja no ma awe jo mommy jo le mi gwe we mi e no see ni mama o we no gwa mu ye lo gwa very direct I ma trust e ni bu mu ye lo gwa very a lot of people mu ye lo gwa very ima mi sunu di ni ya ga watch me ya mu ye lo gwa very but I'm not because he didn't get a sign. He address him anyway. You understand? Originally, or my women. You can't tell me number one now wait it back time. Or my woman. Tell me look here. Or my old woman. Okay, no, we me man now with my wife go mo. Oh, saying me in your boy. My baby, a France in my general look at it.
Nobody should call now.
So, when I
Nobody should call. Mona sit down and listen.
be careful with Huawei. I'm a young mamma will look at area. In yet be money when I'm women. Cause me up with up by the Betia to invite to them. You might call a problem you will not. Or 7 hours, I had to move because I'm not my lamb or what. In that time, what? Zabu, one of my understand. On that person, the mass of your gimme. Everybody may say, teacher, no man.
Any insult, you are blocked out of this place. This place not be sort of water ministry.
I was ashamed. Please. Because that don't dress okay. It time I wear the many quality mention. Ulele, one level, who wear it. Mind I want to tell me.
When I see the matter, if voodoo person give you, oh God. Sometimes in the case of God, not supposed to give you wet stuff. Madam never call. You get some people with God not supposed to give wet to. Even though, na ordinary exercise book, ordinary exercise, ordinary Bible, na person rap for gift, can't give you. This is the reason why you go better pass also. And the reason why we know they go forward, white, black. They go appreciate them. Even to get millions of Bible, you see that one you bring also, you go appreciate, you go even write your name. The date where you bring a come. You go to the no say now you bring this sort is from. You go appreciate them. Now, when I was in Nigeria, I use my pastor to give example. My pastor they receive gift upon gift. My pastor they receive gift, not only gift, cars. People will be abroad, they use car, they will give cover. My pastor don't dash 3 people car for church. He get jeep when they drive. They can't bring on that jeep come for. What thing he do? He carry the jeep. He give the assistant pastor. Make it drive. As gift. They pray for her. They bless her with the gift, the jeep. They bring Audi come for her. He carry the Audi. He give another members for such church, workers for such church. In protocol, they carry one car. They want one of the up-roof car where they carry give on. He give a young protocol, young boy. Make it the drive as gift, man of God. If they give them a chain, they break up for you. You see, not be the kind of chain where you go appreciate and you go pray for that person. That person has seed. That is so. Make I tell you one thing. Sit your down, make it here. I'm not the coin sort time. I want to sit down, make it know, make it don't make forget sense. I know the members of Ayo Yowa water ministry. So now sort of water ministry. I don't know whether I be colo, whether they give sort of water. When I come, when I consider one for sense. When your leader is too proud, when you are inferior before your leader, you are going without saying goodbye. You understand? Gift na seed to sow for a man of God or a woman of God life. And that seed by the special grace of God, if that woman be really genuine woman of God or man of God, if you pray for that seed where you sow for your life, that seed will it will germinate abundantly for you. Seed that you sow in any man of God or woman of God life, that seed will definitely multiply. It will multiply if that woman carry grace. If that woman carry grace, if you carry fire, that seed will multiply. The reason why majority of our sisters, our brothers in Europe, sow seed back home into the life of man of God is because there is something they want God to do for them that they cannot do for themselves. As they sow that seed from the depth of their heart, that thing will be solved easily. There are some people where you go to and say, just buy this remote, give your woman of God. That document where they hold for embassy, they will release that for you immediately. And immediately as they sow that seed, and as the woman received that seed, he prayed, so it shall be well with you. Thank you very much. One hand, they will come and make a collect a visa. That's the work of seed. How can you be giving your woman of God seed? You go first tell you say make first see what you want to give them online. If to say camera not on the call, they don't see live a video call. If they don't see video call, I don't understand how. No, they think of waiting and they think. Seed. For example, now you want to buy gift to go give man of God for Nigeria. You go say first show me for camera first. When you not get talent for us, when you not get support for phone. When you go buy 10 euro card, take call Nigeria, take call Nigeria. Go to that man of God, I want to post. I beg send me your address. I want to post some gifts to come for you. You go say make I first see the gift you want to post for me. Gift is a surprise package to anybody. Surprise package where you don't go expect. You go land your house. And as you receive the package, you receive the gift, your heart will be gladdened. That happiness, that joy that comes from you, you pour out that your anointing on that gift. My son, it shall be well with you. You shall say. I know when one man from Nigeria went with the church, the man come from France. He used 18-seater bus to load container come Nigeria. After I sold those container finish, he carried the 18-seater come to church. Using sow seed for man of God life. Use the 18-seater bus, sow seed, still add money, joiner, where they go take number the car, where they go take put with glass for the door, where they go take cut the door with the draw. He had money, joiner for them. The man won't give testimony about his wife. We be say he don't marry for here for France. The two of the date France, the two of the rival come Nigeria, can't give that testimony. The woman not born. But when they get encounter with the man of God, and the man of God started they pray for the online prayer, so the woman take it immediately. The woman they carry the pikin come do the dedication of that pikin for Nigeria. They for France. They do the dedication. They use 18-seater bus to sow seed for the man of God, and the man of God pour out all his prayer from his heart upon that family. Say, go and say, why the Yoreo different? Why the arrogancy? Why the proudness? How much you don't make? When you could tell members what thing you want to buy for you. You are there. You are not representing yourself, but you are representing Christ. If not God, you really deserve. If not genuine, say your prayer, they work. If your prayer they work, not be you already work that prayer. Now God, now answer that prayer. You are just a tool that has been used by God. God is using you. You are not using yourself. So if God directs any of your members, say, I want to send gift to go give my spiritual mother, you should be happy. Because why? Now grace now you carry. Not be all spiritual mother or spiritual father. Their children, they send gift to go give. When your spiritual daughter started sending you gift, they started calling you a phone. Mama, I want to send you gift. Mama, give me your address. You should know that grace is speaking for you. Grace is speaking for you. A lot of pastors are complaining in their altar after they pray for this member. This member have I said, they don't know, they forget them. This member have go forward, they forget them because why grace is speaking against them. Not be everybody where you help. Don't be going to remember you. Not be everybody will appreciate. I love you. I love this, my mommy. Don't be genuinely love you. Don't be them. Don't be all will even say you gift, even on your birthday. For your member to be happy that they have a mother like you, that they have a mentor like you, they want to send you gift. They don't have to call you first. Let them do what as the spirit leads them to do, so that they will excel in life. By the time they start calling you, before they start giving you, that destiny is not tied, it's not cage on your hands. Their destiny is not cage on your hands. I don't understand whether not God you serve or not you, whether you be pastor or you be or both. I don't understand. Because now you come and say you be a nikau. Today now God, now ministry. I never really understand. Now see this life with this. Now see what they happen. What it take bemu. It take bemu. the cause. Proudness, the cause. Listen to yourself when you talk. Say the gift where your baby they send for you now, dirty now you they go to put on dustbin. Say you will measure the money where you carry dirty, they go to throw away. Money where you carry dirty, they go to throw away for dustbin. Oh man of God, madam sort our water ministry. Okay now, sort our water ministry. Now I want to talk to now. Hypocrite people wanna come here. Yes, they have the call. Bakara, doctor do this one. Doctor not good. Doctor do this one. Doctor not bad person. Una they call. Yes, they not mad. They don't Una mad they pour like say river they fall. Like say they fall. If you're open platform, when I come on the phone, we no say doctor don't do a babu na call. Don't know phone call there. Cause na the fear cause. Una the fear we got one me go. We got all those cause we usually the cause no they work. I mean they talking. You know they work. You don't even know God. Now the truth I they tell you now, you don't know God. All those cause. See me, I tell you one thing I want to understand. You are in Europe, they don't be Europe prayer, carry you enter Europe. Get out of mind, say when time reach, you must make up. If you never born, if time reach, you must get picking. Whether you close your mouth or you pray, you must get picking. God must bless you. The Oyibo gonna come meet for this abroad. If they pray, Oyibo gonna come meet for the abroad, they pray before eat, they don't get money personal. People are all deceived by your all the name of sort of water ministry. We sort of water ministry. We don't see Oyibo they use sort of water ministry, sort of water they bath. Are they not better than you people black? They're not better person than be the black. Why sort of water not cross you for lapa lapa? How many of them they Libya? So that water they walk. Why don't you pray for so that water when they cross now cross the palapa enter Europe? One not die. Why don't you so that water cross the palapa enter Europe? One not die. Let's just make the quiet because now walk where did they walk? Now they church, now they call and watch up. Now straight business of Yahoo now they do. Nothing they cash the all those women we don't take for Europe, no their left from their right. Now you gather together for water ministry, which they overrule, which they oppress. I go see some men with some men will say they not talk to woman. We be say you don't give husband to give women to. They go say party you don't want to say name of more dion. You be really or more dion. Because more than amuri abun be we obo. We are in Yahoo ministry, direct FMT, direct diplomats, and the ministry, direct diplomats. Doctor does use my head. Not be here with you when he crack come and say Nigeria was stopping money. Now here we do when he go see come up on doctor. Now here we do. Now here we did when he crack come and say Nigeria was the insult Nigeria was use the head. Now here we did when he go still crack come for doctor. Well, man, here I didn't wear that way again, doctor. None of them go there again. But here of now the dog best the now the dog no go out there na make back work bon. O no we am. You get below to the picking. Wag boya la ma wo gan. Unu we ade ko live video. O ma gbe ne boye gbe nu la wa nu ko gbe nu bi mi mo mi hu. What here boda la down nu we. Who be this person? Now you get this phone for me. Because of your own laptop, now on live video, contribute to the on your live video, you contribute. Mama, umezi no pala wa no le nu so bo ubi mo mi hu pe we ajojori e boda la dia nu we ni biye mo anu so bo agbe oru ni manikiane owo eru eko we mai mo we furi yoto no zo we amu e bogbo ke mo no kiane no ene eri ha ba wa kwanya wa we imam ifani bu nya hetiwe uwe nya hetiwe wa munaze munuso o ma give ni wo bo wasi no olowo wa They couldn't call you to order and advise you. In our society, we have been near we no magba wa maseti boude. Ari ko ni koloa. Abi yo nisan. Wa de no ria wa gbise yo. Wa re ko bi edo wa. E ko pa ro ni kan ya fi ke gbuwa. Wa de no magba wa ya po bolile. Facebook ni mayina. Monti on susu mayi. Aga mwen so ne ta zanzan, ta gbegmo sigmo. Ikata we ministry wa de fake no. O ma yayi. Obi agbe ni won ayena gba wa yi ni yan yo response. E na gba wa yi ni. O ma te mata wa aro yo. E na on wa yi ni. E new thing. But okiki wa yako. Okiki am na yako. Wo no doze wo te do no ma ya you no ya won to ekinu talo ya fefe o ma you no won to wo ye do la video atenu kin wa bo ya de obi gwa mu e obi gwa ewe kun ye po o ya we kun ye po no ma bogbe no de wa ti bo ni biere o mo wo ye ko. Walk by Nikao, walk by Osalobua, walk by woman Jesus Christ. Who are you serving? This is what Antichrist. Antichrist people try to lure people into their kingdom. Lure people into their kingdom. Walk by live video. Who said you wow? Who not the who said you wow? Again, we are Rosé. When not time was a yaim do, yaim, una tifo una ganya. Now ganya. See the ravi yuru. See the ravi yuru. We dress simple dressing. What do you know by simple dressing? Then we got a simple dressing. We a back book we see lo yehona see lo basically loom. With a simple dressing. Anyway, it's a simple dressing. I went on one walk already. Wow, nyanga walking. On one like the weather only. Dota who VF. You got VF with Yama. Who a boparak bono matier. When who were more your co. A boparak bono to the extent. A money one manage. Who may bog be we may be a whistle talk. Oh, we make way or my for the coe. Would you bog money? Don't want it. No can when you want to see what will it do? You are a leader. What kind of rubbish leader be that one? Agweguan. That when they would do, no, come up with you. That when they would do, no, come up with you. Then I could put bottle away any who are more. Name the bonutini not believing you. They born with any and not believe any sort of what ministry if you know believing now. Because near my hand be. Near my hand, Jedo. Here na Jedo, doing a queen what see a Bonivio away. Near what my unison. Then when it probably when they born with any and not believing here now. Near your being a head with you did. A bon with you, equity when him away. Ne born not believe you sort of water ministry. A man probably when you believe in now. In a lefty. Because no one will go away, or get money. Open young, you will give out a bona soon. A bow not on a soon. No, Rabazin, or the could be. When no go back. When no go, may I say, when have I do? What's your bottom of a live video? When the young Lilian do way why wouldn't know about Billy. Even we are still be arriving with Wallo. Abu Mago came working. How are you know where tie? How are you know where tie? Who got to walk one? Who don't want to you get to one. You made it to our big Jesus Christ. No sense. Immediately we are big Jesus Christ. We go now make babu a live video. Ikata muwa. So what ministry? I carry video ni 3 years ago, 2 years ago giwa. Kino gwa kino goto be ya vieke. Bumo te nyase. Kina ame lala ha eva kizowe. Wagagbu wania. Na ya send glory. It's from problem to problem to problem. All the leji. Deliver every of give wa. Udo abu wa ne ma, dole ma wo uyo bono ma wona ne ma. Bona tie nu. Oye mu ni. O se unari won won. Ebe na abu de gbo ese uri. Boni ohun na me gbo ma e. Me tamu we na. Boni o wa winner. There's never a winner ya advice we no ya ri because boni winner na gbo. Ina yi ma ni pe malelewe. Eni ni America ni ma ti yo wa. Abe yo me. Ni wi yan gbo malelewe. Eni o wa yan ma retin yan o wa. What the woman na se biedo. Ibiedo a po ball lewe la din. Yan po ball lewe o ti mi an de ga si kan go na yan ke si gbe. Yan ke ti ya ma ti agwegun oge. If I'm not good, we are going to hate you. We are going to hate you. If I'm not good, we are hate you. If I'm not work good, we are hate you. We are going to but when there any how woman boma so wage de so wa oboma so wage de so wa auzo wa uzo ade ma ga agwa akekuta amalize stu wi ase anu le boro jaka awu nyanga la video la je no be dogun de na woni hu wa rewe if you go no understand we meze you why because me pack ba wa no gbina ne o wa re o tawe oni nero wodo no ma ti gba woda fun opo e ga dak ije ma gba na pa ije ma gba na pa e wodo agbeni na ni e gbeni wa gbeni na e gbeni wa yi na o kan wa yi ni gbina mu wa onu wa ti e leader o mo gbagbo wi wa o ti wa iko wa fi e wa de levi ogin epo emu wa de ga gbogbo onisuwa ki la yan iko wa de levi mo mi yere attack pe ade gift wa gume de ni best can wanna give you testimony yeah best can wanna give you testimony now you wa do that testimony imagine onisuwa analyze video we ya so analyze video we no ya so tame ya so bust code we la na go be yan ade a fake a plan work we you are plan we are deceiving on social media. Let's go there.
Why worry?
Na tiebo wa nwame umiega wa nwame umiega wa nwame umiega wani ayo ngebie wo emi wo de ni ngebie
bele osu wa yari e ba 7 ko
ebokpa kan mo ni wa nwame yo
no ma kaka bo vela mo wa oni ma wa mi yo ma be yo osalo pa pa ni ya ene te ya gbe na te no. Get my point? There are lots of people like that, husband and wife. Or that you have a member, or that phone member. A prayer line, you know.